Here's a quick way to view all your Office 365 installations and deactivate the ones you no longer require. This will help you avoid hitting the activation limit when you install Office on other devices. You want to deactivate Office on a computer you no longer use. This can be done from the Office 365 dashboard. Sign in to your account. Select your profile icon, My Account. Here you will find all your subscription information. The Install Status tile shows the number of active installs. In this case, it's 3. Select Manage Installs. Selecting the drop-down arrow, you can see more details about each device. This is the computer we just installed Office 365. Even though you already uninstalled Office 365 on this old computer, it's still associated to this device and counts towards one of your installs. Let's deactivate it. Select Deactivate and confirm by tapping Yes.